Alrighty, we working? Yep, cool. Hello everybody, 'tis I, Ra, naturally. Okay, still working on the maille coasters. Currently taking them off my shirt in strips, and then I'll cut these down to size, clean them up, and add to the pile. So I've probably got about 40 of these so far. Yep, just got to go through them all, make sure that they're all got the requisite number of rings. Yeah. Backups. Alrighty, so this is what's left of the shirt. As you can see, I'm busy working my way down, taking out the, well, yeah, you can see what I'm doing without having it explained. Alrighty, and over this way, is it this side? Ah, yeah, here we go. Marking every lot of 15 to make another, take those strips off. Yeah, break them down. Yeah, it's a bit of work. It's a fairly good bit of work, but well, at least my hands are getting stronger using these. Man. Oh well, I'll tell you what, I hope all this effort is worth it in the end. I've still got the boxes to make up. Gave them a break to concentrate on breaking this down. Wow, I might have to go for another trip down to David's Emporium, because I need a knife rather than using the scissors to cut this cardboard. Get myself one of those X-Acto knives. That's what I'm thinking of. Yeah, so yeah, probably do that. Oh, I don't know, what day is it today? Come on, wakey. Oh well, here we go, come on. Ah, Thursday 26th. Okay, no worries. So, okay, let's see if I can move this camera around so to give you an idea of what I'm doing. Alright, alrighty, so where is that flap gone? Ah, here we go. Okay, right, now oh no, that bloody Russian anthem, once it gets stuck in your head, man, it's hard to get out. I can't play any music, I can't have something going on in the background, because guaranteed I'll get fucking snapped by YouTube. Here we go. Bloody sad that poor Donald Trump, man, he's gonna get ousted by those fucking commies. Damn. America could have been a fucking really good bloody country by now if it wasn't for those fucking thieving bloody criminal Democrats. Holy fucking hell, man. What a pity that he he meaning Donald Trump, what a pity that he didn't concentrate more on the law and order side of it. God knows there's enough fucking corruption and bullshit going on in the Democrat ranks, the government. Jesus Christ, man. Honestly, if it had been left up to me, they'd all be decorating fucking trees by now. Fucking Nancy Pelosi, Chuck Schumer, the Hillary Clinton. Fuck, man, they really fucked up the country. But no, it's all Donald Trump's fault. Every fucking piece of shit they put in place, all Donald Trump's fault. They'd rather see America burnt to the ground and destroyed rather than give it up to him. For Christ's sake, all the good that he's done is going to be wiped away. Here we go. Oops. There you are. Alrighty, now, where are sometimes this is what's commonly known as butted maille, because it's not riveted maille like the original maille was. Man, they used to one maille shirt or hauberk or whatever you want to call it has on average anywhere from 30 to 50,000 rings. God knows how many this bastard's got before I decided to pull it apart for the coasters. But there are literally bloody a few thousand rings. The butted maille, which butted up against each other like this, whereas the riveted maille is like this, with rivets bang bang like that. I don't know if they hot welded them or hot or cold welded them. Damn, I'm having a bit of trouble talking today. Oh boy. Well, we had the majority of the shit weather yesterday. Now we just got the tail end of it. Here we go. Oh, right. Tell you what, it's a really bloody hard case. Yeah. I was watching a video earlier, Timcast, and Trump would have won 311 electoral college votes if media weren't biased. He would have won a hell of a lot more if it wasn't for the fact that the Democrats are so far out, man, so freaking bloody crooked. Because the Democrat Party was the first original political party in America until their corruption was called out, and the new party, the Republicans, came on board, and ever since then the Democrats have not forgotten that they were the first original political party, so therefore it's their right to rule over you stupid fucking peasants. Just shut up, do what you're told. Seen and not heard. And of course that, if you want to fact check that, yep, go ahead, you'll find that I am completely right on this one. Alrighty, so yep, that gives you an idea of what I'm doing, what kind of work it takes to get it done. So I'll make that one there into a strip like this, then cut them down into coasters like that, and yeah, I'll just tidy them up, add rings where necessary, take them off where necessary. 4 to a pack at, what do you reckon? For a pack of 4, given all the work that's involved, plus making my own boxes out of rubbish cardboard, rubbish cardboard, out of reused cardboard boxes, about what, 20 bucks for 4? But does that include postage? Well, I don't know. I don't know how much it's going to cost yet to send anywhere in the world. I still haven't gone down to the post shop to find out. Anyway, so there we go. Alrighty, that's me for the rest of the day until something that I deem interesting happens. So, we'll catch up later. Peace.